Welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be looking at how you can make at least $1,000 using ChatGPT. Now, let's go into details. What is ChatGPT? Now, OpenAI is the mother that gave birth to ChatGPT, and this is a non-profit AI company by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Now, Elon Musk and Sam Altman founded a non-profit artificial intelligence research company. They call it OpenAI, and this is actually what gave it to GPT. Now, let's look into this. OpenAI mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefit all humanity. Now, there have been an argument that says, is this going to wipe out the use of library, or even would this actually wipe out Google search? Now, in this video, we are actually going to clear you how you can make at least $1,000 monthly using this ChatGPT. And making money online with OpenAI ChatGPT, we're going to be looking at this freelancing, programming code, script writing, book summary, proofreading, YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, blogging, and many more. All of these are what you can use to start monetizing and making money from that. Kindly subscribe to this channel. We should know on this channel, we talk about how to make money online and also how to monetize your knowledge. So let's go into details how you can actually use this. Now, once you have registered with ChatGPT, how can you use it? We're going to be looking at them one after the other. Book summary. Now, book summary, you can actually use this for book summary. There are a lot of platforms that you can actually use to actually get this. So let's go to book summary. Book summary about Poor Dad, Rich Dad. You can actually get to look at book that people are actually getting interested in. You can come here and put book summary about, then you now put the title of the book. As you can see, this is giving you details, a summary about that, and you can actually copy this and publish this as a book, and you can go to Fiverr to actually put up a place where you can actually do book summary. Now let's check Fiverr to see actually the number of people that needed this particular niche. Now you see that there are a lot of people that actually need this particular niche. And if you look at this very well, you can see this has given a lot of summary about this. And if you need more things, like maybe when it stopped, you still need more details about it. What you just need to type is just more details, please, as if you're talking to a human being. And this will keep continuing to give you more details about what we are talking about. You can see in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki tells the story of his own upbringings and financial lesson he learned from his two fathers, the biological fathers, and who highly educated but struggled financially, and his friend's father. So all of these are there, and this is the essence of book summary. And in the book summary, you can actually get these a lot of books and write this, and you can go to Fiverr or Upwork to put this up, and you can sell all of this in books. Some people just actually need a book summary. They don't actually want to go into details regional of this book. So you can just be doing this and make money from this. And this can give you at least $100 on a daily basis. So let's go to the next one. The next one is proofreading. Now, a lot of people, and you can see up to today, there are a lot of people that are actually doing this field. Proofreading. Now, what are the jobs that are there open to people in this niche? Proofreading. So let's go to Fiverr. Fiverr.com. You can actually go there and check people that are actually doing this, and you can see a lot of wonderful people that need this particular. You can see over 23,000 people service available that are positioning themselves as this, and you can actually go there also and put yourself on the Fiverr registered or also on Upwork and put yourself as this. So what can you do as a proofreading? And this will do it for you. Let's, for instance, you have actually get to copy the first one and somebody actually have written a book and you actually want to check from the person. Let's assume this is what the person have actually typed to you. Once you copy those things, ensure that you are copying them bit by bit. And once you come here, you just paste here. And this is going to give you the details of this. Like that is the statement you have put is going to change it. Yes, that's very correct. Rich Dad and Poor Dad is a personal finance book that advocates for financial, you can see, trying to write this in another way. And that is what you can write in proofreading, and this can also go in pieces. And through this, you can actually get to get paid on this from people. So for those sort of people that have written script, for those of people that have written books and they just want you to do a proofreading, you can just be copying it one after the other and come here to type and also look at. And don't forget about grammarian platform that we have that you also can actually use to do all of this amazing work. Let's go to the next one. YouTube. You know, for those of you that actually are running YouTube and you are not showing your face, you are running a faceless YouTube. Like I said, you can make money from that YouTube channel. Now, what you actually need to do is what? Get topics. How can you get topics on this? You can actually come here and put up something, how Facebook destroy Africa. No, just put up something that will cause a kind of argument or something. Just put up how Facebook destroyed Africa. This is going to go against it and put up something. You just need to put up something. It's important to know that Facebook is a platform and does not have the ability to destroy Africa or any other region. It is up to the individual organization who uses the platform to decide how it's being used and impact it has on people. And this can also be something you can put up on a faceless YouTube channel. And this is something that people who actually want to look, like you talk about Africa, talk about Facebook, and these are something people like, how this destroyed Africa. And now you can put this in a content, you can put all of these things in an image. And if you actually want to get an image to put all of these things together, if you actually want to record this, you can do this on a PowerPoint and you can do on a Zoom and share and record. And this, you can create a video from that, or you can go to Pixels or Upsplash. Now, in this, you can get an image that goes in line with this Pixels.com, or you go to Upsplash.com. In all of these two, you can actually get free videos, or you can get pictures that you can actually use free of charge for you to use for this particular content, because you are not showing your face. And all of these things, you can just be talking, or you can do a voiceover that you can actually couple together and make a video. This will actually go viral, and through this, you can get a topic, get the content, develop on it, and you can do a faceless YouTube and start making money. The next one is freelancing. Now, in a freelancing, a lot of people will actually ask you some questions that, okay, they actually want to write something, content and the rest, but they don't know how to do all of that. This will help you to write. Let's say, for instance, you have actually gotten a job and they ask you to do a cover letter. Now you can say, write a cover letter for a job description. Now, if you put this up, you can see this is going to give you that immediately. That means you can actually stand to start doing a freelancing for those that actually want to apply for a job, for those that are going for an interview. You can put all of these things, what you need to know before going to an interview. You can see a lot of things there. And this is exactly what you can do and make money from all of that. And for those of you that are also learning, the fifth one is for those that are actually going into programming and you're having difficulties one way or the other, or you're looking for a particular code to actually use to grow your channel. Now, what do you actually need to do? You can come here. Let's say, for instance, we have a problem with Neo4j. Now, Neo4j is something you don't know, but for those IT person, they will understand. Neo4j is something, one of the graphic database that they use. So how to install Neo4j? Now, for those of you that don't know that, now once you type how to install Neo4j, this is going to give you the details and the coding aspect you need to install all of these things. Now, for those of you that doesn't know what Neo4j is all about, that is why we have ChatGPT to install Neo4j and follow this process. Download the Neo4j installers from the Neo4j website. You can see now you are getting where you can download the exact Neo4j that you need, and this is a step to solve the problem. And this also will give you a script that you can actually run and all of that. If you actually want to create a website and you're thinking of what do you need to do to create a website, all you have to just do is what? Type here, how to create a website. Now that this has finished, now you want to put how to create a website. Once you can type this and you send it to it, it's going to show you how to actually create a website, and it's also going to give you code. So for those of you programmers that are having problems, that are having challenges, just come to ChatGPT, put up your question there, and this is going to help you a lot amazingly. So for those of you that are having problem with programming, and for you that actually want to learn about programming, you can actually come here to learn all of that. And you don't actually need to know programming before you can create a video on that. You can actually come here, write something about some programs, and this will give you details. Do a short video on that, and you can actually upload this on your faceless YouTube and make money from all of that. You can see that several ways you can actually make money on this. And for those of you that actually want to teach people about CVs, how to actually write a business plan and the rest, you can come here and do all of that. I see how to write a business proposal. Now you can come here and type how to write a business proposal, or you can say write a business proposal on dry cleaning business. Can you see this? Now, this is actually what you can type, and this is actually still going on. So you can actually help yourself in all of these things, and this can also help you to generate amazingly a lot of things. You can see. So now you can come back here and say new chat and type this and continue if this is actually stopping. So you can solve a lot of amazing problems. And while you're solving this amazing problem, you can actually get this. You can say write a business proposal, dry cleaning business. You can see this is a business proposal. We are writing to introduce our dry cleaning to you, our company, and the rest. So this is what can solve. So let's go to the next one. How to write a script for those content developers, copywriters, and script writers, and the rest. You can actually come back here and put up, like those of you that are doing skits, those comedian, content builder, and the rest, you don't actually get to know what to do and concept about it. So you can actually come here and just think about something. Like I actually want to think about a script of somebody they lied against, and how can you actually do all of this? You can actually come here and say, write a script. You are instructing, write a script about a pastor who was framed for what kind of, can we do, for theft from tithes, from offering box. All right, so we can actually frame up this and a script around that. You understand? Then sure, here is an example of a pastor who was framed for theft from the offering box. Now you can see opening source, pastor's office. Pastor is sitting in his bed, looking worried and distressed. Pastor to himself, how could this have happened? I can't believe I'm accused of stealing from the offering box. You can see these are stories. Like you can write several scripts, and you actually want to get up a lot of scripts to act in the church, in the mosque, you actually want to be doing content like this for churches, for your YouTube and the rest, you can actually come here, put up something, and this will give you an amazing script that you can actually use. This is one of the things you can actually monetize. Just imagine yourself writing some stories, short stories every day on your YouTube channel. People actually want to know, you can get to know what is trending, put it up around there, put up a script around that particular topic, and you can actually get to monetize all of these. So these are one of the amazing things you can actually do and monetize from all of that. So let's go to the next one. The next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, how can you actually get to make money from here? So let's go into the subwriting of titles. Now, write subtitles on how to train a dog. Some people actually want to learn more about how to train a dog. You can say, the script is even still writing the end screen. Now, Pastor, my dear friends, I want to thank you all for your support and faith in me during the difficult time. I am relieved and grateful. So I actually love this. And this script can actually go and people is going to see it. Amazing. Now, let's try titles on how to train a dog. Write subtitles on how to train a dog. And from that, we actually want to learn. Yeah, sure, here are some subtitles on how to train a dog. Start training as early as possible. Now, use positive reinforcement. All of these are subtitles about that. So I'm going to be going to this introduction to how to train a dog. Now, let's go into that. Introduction to how to train a dog. A lot of people actually want to learn about this. And this is what you can make money from that as an affiliate. I'm going to show you how you can make money from that as an affiliate. Now, after you put all of this together, introduction to how to train a dog, once you put this out, and this is actually going to come back to show you on this. Now, in all of this, you can create a blog around it. And as an affiliate, when you create a blog around it, create your own website around it, put up all of these things in your blog, and you need to put in the affiliate link. So how do you get an affiliate link to this? Now, many people actually want to learn about this. Training a dog is rewarding and enjoyable experience that can strengthen the bond between you and your furry friends. Now, after you put up all of this amazing content on your blog, then the next thing is what? How do you get an affiliate around that? So when you copy this, when you come to this, all you have to go to is Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest will actually get to solve this for you. Once you come to Uber Suggest, you can see Uber Suggest free key tools. Now, all you have to do here is what? You enter your free domains kit here. So let's put how to train a dog. Let's check. And we'll put United States. So after you've done your search, this is going to give you a review on that and give you some ad content. Now you can see search for this, and this is going to give you 71 difficult and paid difficult. Now you must ensure that you use a less difficult, because if you actually want to use most difficult, by the time you write, adding your blog will actually rank. So you need to set this down so that you can actually have amazing result on this. So if you look at this keyword, you can see dog training tips to train a dog, American Kennel Club, and the rest. And you can see some of these things. You can actually view them and monetize from there. So let's look at keywords ideas. Keyword ideas, because you need to do some search engine optimization on the keywords ideas you can actually use for that. So let's put up the word here. Keywords ideas on how to train a dog. You can see some of these, and you can see the cost per click. Now you can see this cost per click. You can see some figures that are there, and SEO difficulty is so high, but you can go to the ones that are not so difficult. Like I said, if you're doing this, the difficulty part of it, you need to make it easier. Now, once you make the one that is very easy, I can use 0 to 35. At times I can use 0 to 10, so that you'll be able to see the ones that can what? Be more easier. And if you can see how to train a dog who is aggressive, you can see this. These people can actually, and you can see difficulties is just 20. So this can actually go. So you can click on this and copy this. Yes, you can copy this. How to train a dog who is aggressive. By the time you create your blog, come to this and you're creating your content, then you had this statement to maybe probably when you copy this in your content, before you come to this, you can put it up there. How to train a dog who is aggressive. So this will actually rank so much. By the time you put how to train a dog, this might not rank because it's very difficult SEO, and you need to come down to the ones that are so much easy so that your particular blog can rank faster. If you see this very good and you think this is actually good, click on the subscribe button to follow us on this channel. On this channel, we talk more about how to monetize your knowledge and how to make money online. With ChatGPT, if you actually want to learn more about that, we're going to be showing you more videos on how you can actually use this to actually make more money online and also monetize all your knowledge. If you see this, put up in the comment section now. Tell us your review. What do you feel about this? There are a lot of arguments about this. There are some people are saying, will OpenAI and ChatGPT replace Google search? What is your feel? Go back to the comment section and put it up there. And if you actually want to learn to know more on how to create an account, one step by step on how to create the account. And don't forget that this can also solve an amazing mathematics. Like these are one of the amazing things that you need to solve. For those of you that are SS3, that are also suffering from you don't know mathematics, or you don't have somebody that knows that, you can actually use this ChatGPT to do all of that. And that is the argument that people are using to compare it to Google search. That Google search cannot give you this analysis and solve this question like this, but ChatGPT can also do all of these amazing things. So if these are doing amazing, and that here comes to this amazing question that says, will OpenAI and ChatGPT replace Google search? What do you think about that? You know, we have shown you what this can do. We all know what Google can do. Put up in the comment section, what is your own review about that? What do you feel about this? And if you think our channel is good and you want to learn more about how to make money online or how to monetize your knowledge, kindly subscribe on this channel and share this to a lot of people, because we want people to get to know that they can solve their day-to-day problem here.